that it has to be performed exquisitely. I can pronounce that word correctly, but excuse me. It's called the cars. But honestly, I called the cars. Excuse me. That it has to be about magic that happens close to your face. That it has to be about. All right, thank you very much. You're welcome. I can't afford it. And magic that I can pronounce that word correctly. That I can pronounce that word correctly. That